Hi everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. We're going to make the most wonderful and easy fruitcake that you will ever make. Now, it's 4 ingredients. It's 2.2 pounds of fruit. Now, I used 1 pound 4 ounces of berries, golden raisins, cranberries, and cherries. I used 8 ounces of dates that I quartered. And I used 5 ounces of cherries. And the other I made up with nuts. And I added it to a bowl along with 2 cups. I chose orange juice. You can use any type of fruit juice that you want to use, but I used orange. And I let this sit out on the counter for 2 days, but you only have to let it sit 1 day. Let the fruit absorb the orange juice. Now into that now, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of self-rising flour. I might have to add more, but I'm going to start off with 2 cups. I'm going to get it mixed in. And get it. Oh, and I added a cup of brown sugar to the fruit. Light or dark, it's up to you. I'm going to add another ½ cup of flour. Self-rising. Now, preheat your oven to 300 degrees. And line, I'm using a 9-inch springform pan. You don't have to use a springform pan, but you'll need something that has high sides. And get that flour mixed in good.
I never would have known you had to put flour in a fruitcake.
All right.
Where's the pan you're going to cook it in?
Right here. Sam's got to help me. I'm going to add
some water.
just a little bit more orange juice to this.
I'm glad I didn't drink it
Because
all.
I don't want it to be dry.
No.
It's got to cook 1 hour and 45 minutes, but I would check it in between.
Are you on the camera?
Yes, I am. Yeah.
Most people either love fruitcake or hate it.
Well, this doesn't have any citrine in it, It's all dried fruit. And I showed you my packages.
Yeah. Well, it'll be good, healthy.
So,
You may put that back in the fridge? Or you gonna need any more?
no, I'm not going to need any more. Alright, you see what the consistency looks like. Now I'm going to start putting it in my springform pan.
That paper won't burn?
No.
Well, what are you doing? You're getting
I missed it. I'll have to get that out.
Why can't you get it?
Just leave it.
Well, you don't need me.
Oh.
You're getting some of it in the pan.
I hope I'm getting most of it in there. And we're lining it just to make sure, you know, with all of the candied dried fruit and the cup of brown sugar. Now I'll put the recipe below, but you still have time to make this for Christmas. Alan, my friend, my sub friend, he gave me the recipe. Alright, this is going in my 300-degree oven for an hour and 45 minutes. I'm going to start checking it after an hour. And you check it the same way that you do a cake. You put a testing stick in there. And if it comes out clean, it's done. But it should be moist. And I'll bring you back. Hi, everybody. Here is the fruitcake. It took an hour and 45 minutes. Now, because I want to decorate the top, I'm going to spread some jelly. This happens to be orange marmalade on top.
And I suppose we can find you something more legal than this.
And this is cooled. My cake has cooled. My fruit cake. I melted the marmalade in the microwave. And I'm going to do maraschino cherries and pecans on top. And when I get that ready, I'll bring you back. Right. I got the orange marmalade on the top. Then I spread a little bit of maraschino cherry juice on top of that. I toasted some pecans, halves, and I cut the maraschino cherries in half And I'm going around the outside of the fruitcake. Cherry, pecan, cherry, pecan. Until I reach the other side. Then I'm just going to let this sit for, well, till Christmas, till I need it, and let all of this absorb. It's going to be wonderful. I'll put the recipe down below for you, because this is too good to pass up. This is one wonderful recipe, and it's so easy, y'all. It's so easy. So let me give you a close-up look. The cherries, I put them on a paper towel right here and patted them before I cut them in half. And where is that cake? Right there. Won't that be beautiful on Christmas Day? And it's none of the harsh citrine. It's all dried fruit, whatever fruit you choose. You saw what I chose, but it must be 2.2 pounds. That's what makes the recipe work. I will put it down below for you. So that you all will have it. So until next time, you all have a wonderful Christmas, and a happy New Year. I'm not sure that I'll be here before New Year's, but we'll soon find out, won't we? You all take care now. And God bless every one of you. Have a wonderful Christmas and New Year.